Hey guys, this is Chris with OneSupport.com coming to you today with some product reviews for gift ideas that you might want to give to your father or your husband for Father's Day. Here we have the Anker PowerWave fast wireless charger. This particular charger has a price point of about $30. Let's open it up, take a look at it. This wireless charger boasts fast charging via leading technology and an 18-month hassle-free warranty. And claims to be the choice of 30 million happy users. Let's take a look at it. All right. So, it's pretty simple. Sits on your desk, nightstand, whatever. Put your phone on it. Should charge fast. Plugs in through a micro USB port there, and should have a charging brick with it, shouldn't it? Maybe not. That's good to know. This doesn't come with a charging brick. Luckily, we have our own, so while we go through other gift ideas, I'm gonna put my phone on it, see how long that lasts. So right now it's 11 a.m. and my phone has 58% battery. I'm going to place it on the Anker fast charger and see how fast it charges. Lights up and begins charging immediately. The next Father's Day gift we have is the Zagg iPad Folio case with a built-in Bluetooth keyboard. On the packaging, it boasts a magnetic lock closure, so it secures your keyboard when not in use. An ultra slim design, easy to carry when you're on the go. A built-in stand to secure your iPad at an ideal viewing angle. The keys on the keyboard are spaced just like a laptop for a fast, natural typing experience. A fabric cover offers a secure grip and helps protect your iPad. And the rechargeable battery keeps you typing up to 3 months between charges. So let's open it up and take a look at it. There we go. All right, so open it up. Let's go ahead and pull that out. All right. So in the box you have the case, you have your quick start guide, your literature, and your charging cable, micro USB charging cable. And again, no power brick, but for something that lasts 3 months, I think that's all right. So let's play with it a little bit. Looks like you just pop your iPad right in there. Works perfectly like that. There we go. All right. So it does give you a good angle. Looks like probably about a 45-degree angle. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it to my iPad here. I'm gonna hold down the Bluetooth button. Again, I'm doing this with no instructions, just to see how easy and intuitive it is. Okay, holding down the Bluetooth button did pop up Zagg Messenger Folio. So I'm gonna click on that and pair it. It is pretty compact. I'm used to typing on a 13-inch laptop. This is a noticeable difference. But again, going from 13 inches to just under 10 inches, there should be a noticeable difference. The keys themselves are pretty good. You know, you have some nice movement there. They stand out quite a bit. They're not very shallow. They're actually pretty deep, so you get a good movement there. Almost has kind of a mechanical sound to it, so and has all the functions of a normal keyboard. The battery should last about 3 months on one charge, which is pretty good. But let's see how we like using it when we're not trying to type, right? You know, a lot of people play games on their iPad. You know, I've got it folded up like this. It's heavy. You can feel a difference here. The stand isn't for you know, putting it at an upright angle. So this really does kind of have a singular use. The magnetic closure, I mean, not the best. I guess if I hold it upright, it works fine. But once you kind of tilt it, it opens up. It is a little heavy, but that's to be expected with a built-in keyboard. Unboxing it in the box, there was no information about the warranty. On the case, there's no information about the warranty, so that's probably something you would need to research on your own by possibly going to their website. The Zagg iPad Folio case with the built-in Bluetooth keyboard came in at $60. So this is good for, you know, if your dad or your husband travels a lot, you know, uses his iPad for work, needs to type up documents on his iPad. It's great for that, but not so great for much of anything else. And that is the Zagg Messenger Folio tablet keyboard case. All right, so the next product we have for your dad or your husband is the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom Bluetooth speaker. On the case, it boasts IPX7 waterproof, which means up to 3 meters for 30 minutes, 360 degree sound. It pairs with another Wonderboom, drop or shock proof up to 5 feet, and boasts a 10-hour battery life. In the interest of transparency, I'll let you all know that I've actually had one of these for over a year now. It was a Christmas gift from my son, and I love it. So let's open it up, and I can show you guys why. Oh, and should also mention, it does boast a 2-year limited hardware warranty. You open it up, it tells you where the power button is, the Bluetooth pairing button, play, pause, and skip tracks right there in the middle. And then if you really expand it, you're going to have your USB charging cable. It is a micro USB. Okay, so let's turn this thing on. All right, we'll go ahead and pair it up. You get that sound to let you know that you're paired up. So you have your volume buttons here, up and down. I believe, all right, it does notify you when you've reached max volume, which is good. Let's go ahead and play a song. Got some good sound, 360 sound, coming from all angles of the speaker, which is good. So let's see what happens when we pair it with another one. I've brought my personal speaker in, and the pairing is pretty simple. There we go. As displayed, you know, it pairs easy with the second one. So, you know, if you're hanging out in your backyard, you're having some friends over, put one in one corner of your patio, one in the other, or just put them right next to each other and make it extra loud. You got your buttons here for volume control, your play and pause, or if you want to skip a track, you just press it twice. And then your pairing button up at the top, power button's right here. The MSRP on this is usually around $100. They do frequently go on sale. We got this one for $64 on Amazon. And that is the Wonderboom Bluetooth speaker by Ultimate Ears. Okay, so a quick update. We put the phone on the charger 20 minutes ago at, I don't remember, it was 59, 58%. In 20 minutes, we're now at 68%. We're now at 68% after 20 minutes. As far as wireless chargers go, that is relatively fast. As for the charger itself, I've seen the ones that, you know, your phone lays flat on it. I think I actually do prefer this. If I were to have this on my desk, you know, I could have it there at the angle, so I'm working, I get a notification on my phone, I can look over at it real quick. The base of it does have almost a rubberized texture, so you do get that non-slip grip on it. The rest of it is just smooth plastic. You have this edge here, so you could set your phone on it. I have the 8 Plus, so it's a pretty slim build, but you can see that it probably takes up half of that ledge. If it were any smaller than that, I think you'd really have to kind of make sure you're placing it on there carefully. Whereas here I could just kind of throw it on there and go on about my day. Okay, wait, we have this light here. The light isn't on. Let's see if it turns on when it's charging. That light lights up blue when your phone is charging. The Anker PowerWave fast wireless charger came in at a price point of $30. And I can honestly say I recommend this product. The next product we have is going to be a tile key finder. Clip it to your keys, you download the app. You should be able to locate your keys via the app on the phone. And also, if you can't find your phone but you have your keys, you should be able to press the button on the key ring and it should play a noise on your phone. So let's take a look at this. A bunch of literature here. All right, pretty simple. All right, so you clip this to your key ring. Has the button right there in the middle. That's really loud. This is compatible with iOS, Android, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. I'm gonna go ahead and download the app from the iOS App Store. All right, so I've got the app. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. So just have to go ahead and create an account with your email address and password, or Facebook if you wish. They're gonna send you a code to your email address. You click the tile logo once to begin activation. Tile activated. Here it gives you options. You can put it on your keys, in your wallet, your purse. You can find your phone with it. Put it on a kid's toy. You could put it on your dog's collar, your cat's collar. So let's say this is on my keys. I can't find my keys. I'm gonna click on keys and then tap to find your tile. There you go. It's pretty loud. You should be able to hear it in most households. And then say you can't find your phone, you double tap the button. And it's interesting to note, my phone is currently on Do Not Disturb. So even if your phone's on Do Not Disturb, it should play a noise. It's pretty compact, I'd say 1 inch by 1 inch. Very thin, so you know, if you do have it on your keychain, it shouldn't be too bulky in your pocket. This is the Tile Pro. I don't know what the difference is between the Pro and the original, but this does have kind of a textured feature to it. You should be able to hold on to it a little easier. The steel or aluminum right here is pretty durable, it feels like. Shouldn't just break off of your keychain. Got the speaker right here in the back with the 3 dots, and I assume this is where the battery is. Yep, that slides right out. There's the battery. So the tile key finder, the 1-pack comes in at $25 on Amazon. Boasts a 300-foot range, a 1-year limited warranty. You can sign up for a premium service that has free battery replacement. All right, so this is the Tile Pro. It was $25 on Amazon for a 1-pack. You can get a 2-pack, 4-pack, obviously for increasing prices. Compact, light, durable, and that speaker gets really loud. All right, so to review, we have the Zagg Folio iPad case with built-in Bluetooth keyboard. We have the Tile Pro key finder, the Anker PowerWave fast wireless charger, and the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom speaker. If I were to rank these from my perspective, what I would use least to what I would use most, I would use the iPad case the least. It does have a singular purpose, and then trying to use your iPad for anything else while it's in that case it is a little prohibitive. The Tile key finder is extremely useful. I'm constantly losing my keys, but I always have my phone on me, so that would be useful. The Anker PowerWave fast wireless charger, I actually really like this thing. I would use this often on my desk while I'm working. I like the angle of it. You can just look over, easily glance at your notifications. The one I would use the most, and personally do use often, is the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom speaker. I've had mine for over a year now. Waterproof, shockproof, durable, loud, pairs easily with another one. Very easy to use and intuitive with your volume buttons on the front, power button, pause, play, skip track, and then your pairing button. All right, so that is our Father's Day product review gift guide. If you guys have any questions about any of these devices, leave a comment down below. If you have any experience using any of these, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel and visit onesupport.com for more info on all the tech in your life.